Welcome everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, chat. Lovely community. How's it going? How are you today? What is up, great fellas? Great to see you, chat. How you doing? Let's get the numbers rolling. Morning, welcome. Great to see you. Good evening. Let's just share this as usually with all the members out there, pretty much in all the trading groups that we are. Feel free to do the same, guys. If you got a community, if you have friends, if you've got any trading groups or so, feel free to share our live stream and be part of a nice process of achieving the next targets, especially by working together for the best. So, and let's not forget 75 grand right there in giveaways today as well. 75 grand. It's not bad. Nasdaq is finding a temporary support at these levels. Trading still below the daily opening. Good morning, welcome guys. Hey, great to see you. Like the video. Come on, let's go. Hi. Yesterday, our first trading day really paid off on Ticktick Trader prop firm. $4,000 on the first day. We made this pretty much together. Basically, all the trades that I'm doing are on live stream and purely just on the live stream. There is no upstream trading. $4,000 right there. $15-minute is bullish. Watching the 5-minute structure, which I also see having a form of rejection coming through. So I'm still waiting a little bit here for a more clear perspective towards the signals. It's a pretty strong rejection level appearing around the 25-30s, something we've been dealing a little bit earlier. Yet clearing that up gives us some nice possibilities for the 40s.
Order filled.
$525 for my target. Hello, great to see you guys. Wish you an amazing trading day out there. Wish you all prosperity. Stop loss on my entry, or slightly below. We're a little bit too close with my entry right now, just about 3 points. I don't want to hurry up and nope. I'm going to take my stop loss away for the moment. Welcome guys, welcome everyone. Let's go. I'm just seeking that $500 today. I would say for the moment, 3 minis on my entry. We have FOMC minutes at 10 a.m. EST time. Adding one more contract to this. So then I could have my exit exactly on the resistance of this previous flat top we had. Let's go. Make sure to join our Discord as well for those of you that are new, that are fresh. In order to participate the giveaway, which starts a little bit later on the live stream, you gotta like the video, be subscribed, and join the Discord. It is not looking bad for the moment. The price action is decent. If there is another rejection here,
Order filled.
I basically sold 2 contracts. We're out here on 2 minis. Not much, and definitely not the size I'm usually pointing out.
Order filled.
Sold another contract. We only have a single left open. Daily 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart appears for the 440s. 461 is the daily opening. Stop loss on my entry here. Now look at that rejection. I'm out for the moment. $25. Better controlling the risk at the right times instead of following through mistakes. We could have a daily VWAP touch before we run back. I've been speaking about this 430s supply horizontal structure. But I'm not yet convinced into shorting it. Pretty much undecided right now. This can go both ways, so I'm sitting out of the markets for the moment. We're going to trade my top 1 futures accounts as well, where we have $14,000 drawdown. Because we have built this one pretty wild. The first 2 days of this cycle have 2 great max profits needed. Around 1,200 is the maximum I should do. So we got that right there. We're copy trading this on 3 accounts, so this is absolutely top level. Rejection is confirmed for the moment. I'd like to see how does this 5-minute candlestick closes. Good morning as well, guys. Stay blessed.
Order filled. Order filled.
Got into the long here. Not looking not looking like the market is extremely convinced.
Order filled.
423. Oh. Increasing my target if there is a possibility to make more than the minimal. I'm not gonna exclude that, right? I'd like to get into 440s, minimum 440s with my target. So that's 439, front running the exit right there. Break even with my stop loss. There's risk free right now. Pretty good trade as it looks like. If we get the strength instead of the rejection I'm seeing,
Order filled.
nah. We fully got rejected. We fully got rejected, and right now with this 5 minute right here, things are looking a little bit different than bullish. As you guys can see, if there is a strong 5 minute here, this could actually pull us back into the 400s. But depends. You see the markets are certainly undecided over here. Gotta wait a little more. In the meantime, Ticktick Trader extended their promotion for no daily max loss, right? So the max loss is eliminated right now if you're buying accounts. Ticktick Trader is running on an amazing offer. Scramble coupon code gives you the maximum discount available. If you're using Skrill or crypto, then you have a much bigger discount as well as a payment method. Yeah. We couldn't stick to any movement above that. And the pressure comes in with the rejection on the supply of the 27. Five-minute once continuation down.
Order filled.
Testing out a short.
Order filled.
Daily VWAP on the 403. 402. I'm fine with my exit there. If I get that, I'll take it all day long. 925. Six points, guys. Come on. Not putting break even yet. Now it's the time to go with a break-even condition.
Order filled.
No. We got stopped out on break-even. 5-minute close as well. Thank you, guys. How to know rejection of supply if I can explain. Supply comes from this pivot level established on the 19th around 430s. Right there. Following through with another strong confirmation, which clearly makes the price action of 430s, 427 as a meaningful one, right? So you need some confirmations at the same level to have it meaningful, otherwise it's not. Follows through some extra levels over there, keeps us down for the past couple of tens of minutes, and then ultimately the last 5-minute candlestick we had confirms it. So anything above 425 up to 428 is dealing with that pressure. That pressure, which as it looks like for the moment is not really capable of continuation. Yeah, I've been making a review video on that firm, on that exchange actually. That was an exchange, not a firm. Pretty much playing with the liquidity back and forth. Look at that.
Order filled. We
got this one moving down. Into the daily VWAP. Oh. We did have some news coming out.
Order filled.
Surely.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Expecting the current candlestick we have to remain green. All the way back to 426. If we don't see the bears stepping around 410 that much, we're gonna attack the 30s again, right? That 410 is crucial. Come on, bring it up, guys. Now a comfortable rejection we had earlier on that closing.
Order filled.
Have DC'd into this one more contract. That would be a lovely target on the $3,000. Even though our profit score is at $500 as a target, so but I'd like to let this one push aggressively if it has momentum to the upside from here. You know, the daily volume weighted average prices sometimes has force of squeezing, right? Squeezing above that 427. Sometimes it has that force, which I don't want to exclude as a potential chance right now to be existent. Might take some chips away from the table once we get a little higher. And of course, go break even. But I wouldn't mind basically another strong day out here in trading. First day was $4,000. If we do another 2,000 or 3,000 today, that's going to move us away so much from the daily max loss, which is 1,500. That's going to put us in a very comfortable situation, but we just need to consolidate on the... I wanted to say compound, not consolidate. We need to compound yesterday's profit with a pretty decent one today as well, but this is not convincing yet if we don't reject. Look at that. We might just push below, depends.
Order filled.
Added a little more here.
Order filled. Order
if we
filled.
break below, we're going to get stopped out, and we got stopped out. Unfortunately, this candlesticks here was too long for me. We got the daily loss limit with lockout, personal lockout set up. Unfortunately, this candlestick here, consisting about 8 points, was too long. And now they're fighting back, right? I'm going to set up my next, so this is where we are. 4,000 yesterday, $1,500 lost today. We're still good with that. Moving on to the next accounts that I got. Risk settings. They're nicely set up.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, let's bring up those numbers and get ready for the giveaway happening soon at the New York opening, more exactly. But in the meantime, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join our Discord. I could close out right now and I would collect my point. But I'm seeking to make more than that, as this is a good level of possible markets bouncing. So here's the Discord. I'm using straight to funded plus instant funded accounts from Ticktick Trader. Like the video and join Discord. Everyone, come on, let's go. Straight to funded plus from Ticktick Trader, trading on Project X, the 100K accounts that are having no consistency. Very important to know, no consistency. Instant funding accounts without consistency is a very, very good business model. We need a quick move above that 410, as I said, and then things could actually nicely change. Come on, bring it on. Break even. We're set up with break even. This guy is a scammer. Let's go. He's out of the game. We have an important job to do here. Hey, how's it going, guys? Things are moving pretty good. I wouldn't complain. I had my early long as well, guys. But that extra dip, right? That extra dip was something I did not needed. No, it was not secured. But we have secured a payout on tap on futures in the meantime, $9,450. Just a few days ago, last week, last days on Friday. Thursday or Friday last week we secured a $9,450 on the tap on futures. Come on, keep going. Yeah. Maximum discount available with a Ticktick Trader, 55% or 65% if you utilize Skrill or crypto as a payment method. For the straight to funded accounts right there, let me share with you the link. Straight to Funded Plus. Those are the accounts that I'm trading. Coupon code is Scramble. Plus also today you can benefit of no max daily loss limit. Right? So the add-on is free. The add-on is free. We're dealing once again with that supply on the 25-26. You know, I'm willing to give away the surplus above $500, which is the profit score needed, which is where my profit score target is located, right? You got to do $500 per day. That's all you got to do with this accounts, which gives you one profit score. So you have to accumulate 10 points like that. You receive 1 point by doing $500 per day. It's a unique system, unique model without consistency, so you can push and have huge days like this that will cover your losses nicely. Yesterday we had $4,000 on the other accounts. And on this 5 that I'm trading right now, yesterday we've lost 1,500. What if we reverse them? And we make some money today just like we made on the other one yesterday?
Order filled.
Adding more to this, guys. I've just DCA'd 2 more contracts. My trailing is set basically exactly on the minimum point.
Order filled.
Added more to this. We could actually force the markets going a little bit higher than the 200 EMA. Somewhere around 47, 48. This is what we're going to trade, guys. We're going to go around the previous high, especially this one. Has its resistance on the 50s, so I'm like to grab myself some extra room right there with a 46, 47. On the downside, we're going to accept $540, maybe a little more, $580, right?
Order
I'm
filled.
out. I don't like that rejection here appearing, so for the moment I'm out. $1,540. That's good. If we look into the stats, we have actually recovered yesterday's loss and we have collected 1 point. That's celebration time. That's celebration time. Beautiful. Boom, right there. Lovely. And of course, the markets are hunting for the breakout right afterwards. Boom. So I had my target on 47. But I'll take that 1,500 comparing to the risk. We were down in this 5 accounts, so makes sense to come back to a good spot. Have a gained $3,000 max drawdown is not bad. And of course it broke out afterwards. Going to trade my Ticktick, my Top 1 futures once too. Good morning everyone, make sure to like the video, come on. Keep in touch for the giveaways, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We've got some good numbers. We're break even today on 5 accounts. We had the $1,500 loss, and then on the other 5 we had a $1,500 profit. That's a little break even. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. You have a lovely day. And then we're going to trade a Savius accounts too. For those of you that are interested on Savius, we have an exclusive offer for our community. These packages are only available for our community, guys. This is not available on their public page. So you got to sign up from our link and be able to see this accounts inside your dashboard once you're logging in. 60% off, right? So you're paying $250 for an account that pays you $3,000. There's a profit split, 90 to 10 on that $3,000 for the Tomcat, the 150K, 2,700. So the payout is 10 times than the price you're paying. I do have a video about explaining Savius accounts, having a full review on my channel. I'm going to share with you that one quite soon. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. I was so hungry to make money in this 5 accounts. I didn't really enjoy it to be just $1,500 away from the max loss. With the first day into my trading, to have a max loss of the day is something that is not really pleasurable. You know, you buy the accounts and then straight away you have that loss. It's certainly not pleasurable. Here's the video, guys, explaining how this new accounts from Savius are working. Testing out a short here on the Ticktick trader accounts too, where I have the edge. I have the edge basically. I'm not gonna go below the $500 mark, which gives me the 1 point, right? And I'd like to maximize as much as possible, because right now we got space and room, we got cushion. I'm out of this trade, 150, 160 bucks profit. It's good for the moment. So we might see that 425 converting. Previous
order filled.
Supply, we could see that converting into our demand.
Order filled.
That's the maximum loss I'm going to accept. We've got 1,600 profit. If we lose 1,000, we're still going to get our point. It's just that we're not going to have surplus, but we're still going to get that one profit score. Beautiful, guys. Come on, make sure to like the video. Stay in touch. We got giveaways today. 2 giveaways. The giveaway starts at the New York opening or 5 to 10 minutes after, but it could start any moment from the New York opening.
Order
Adding
filled.
a little more to this. We missed the initial reaction. Let's see what's going to happen in the upcoming 4 minutes with this candlestick if we're capable for a complete rejection, pushing this one all the way back. They're sim-funded accounts. They're not live accounts. Same funded accounts, straight to funded plus on Ticktick Trader. That's what we're trading. Beautiful, guys. Come on, let's go. Beautiful reaction. Adding a little
Order
more to
filled.
this.
Order filled.
Added one more contract. That 5-minute closing. This is really not the best level to have a stop loss. Not the best level to have a stop loss, but I cannot afford to give away the point. Right? I cannot afford to give away that $500. that minimum profit for the target. You know, the surplus is one thing, but that minimum and the profit score, that's 100% secured. "30 seconds to go for this 5-minute candlestick. Should nicely push a little bit higher and confirm around the 26. Right, get above my entry. No, guys, it's fake. If you are getting messages from me, it's fake. Avoid. That's how people get scammed, fooled. I'm not sending messages on Discord. A lot of the scammers are doing. Do not send money to anyone. It's a scam, yes. Do not send money to anyone. Do not do these things, guys. There's people scamming you, utilizing my name. A lot of the people. That was a decent closing on the 5-minute. A decent one. Which could trigger, which is why I'm leaving this open. Come on, let's get above the 29. And then watch me going for the 47, guys. I'm a momentum trader on price action and technicals. Price action, reading through the charts of the 1-minute candlesticks, and then the technical starting from the daily candles, 4 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, pre-market, all that stuff. Right, so I'm going with the momentum. Ignore any messages you're receiving from me. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's bring up those numbers. We have an interesting situation here. This is the maximum I'm willing to give away.
Order filled.
I basically sold 3 contracts.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out. But that's fine. We got stopped out and we've got $700 here. The point has been secured. I'm not trading this anymore. Even though it's not really a place to exit out of a long. Which is why
Order
testing
filled.
out a long basically on the other accounts on the Tap 1 futures. Here with a Ticktick trader where we made the 700, I'm going to lock myself out. And that's 1 point collected. It's the target achieved, which is just 500. We were having surplus, but I wanted to make a little more than what was right there. And then here on the Tap 1 futures, well, we've got basically a $14,000 drawdown. This is, you know, an account. Actually, it's 3 accounts. We're copy trading on 3 that are, you know, they're packed up with big profits. The news cycle started on the 18th on Monday. We've had 2 profitable days. All the other days are profitable on August. I got no trading on the 13th, 14th, and 15th because they were paused. We were waiting for the payout. We just got paid $9,450. And then even before that, in July, the same accounts, the same copy traded accounts here delivered amazing results. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. There's no loss on this accounts. There's no loss. It's just profit back and forth. If this is not holding here, it's becoming a risk right there, flushing down to the 400s.
Order filled.
I've DCA'd 3 more contracts. With a nice target on my 1,200s. That's the most I could do because of consistency. Yeah, that's great. 50k account or 100k account is good. Good morning, welcome guys. Giveaway starts in about 25, 30, 35 minutes. 50k or 100k. I'm trading 100k. If you do 50k and you trade minis, you should not cross the 1 mini. Micro might be a better option. If you want to do minis, then 100k is a better environment. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. We got big numbers sitting on this account for the top 1 futures.
Order filled.
Add a little more to this so I can decrease basically my target and eliminate risks. It's a beautiful spot here so far. Oh. Yeah, 6% exactly. If you want easier, then Ticktick Trader is 5%. Or if you want even easier, then the new Savius accounts, which are exclusively for our community, they're at 5% as well. At 5. Right, the profit target is at 5% on all the accounts. 60% off on the prices, so prices are very cheap. $2,700 payout. For $250 price per account, right? So more than 10 times with the new Savius accounts. Again, for those of you that didn't watch, here's the review video about them. These accounts are only available for our community. I don't like this rejection here, guys, but I got nothing to do. As long as we do not close below the 20s, I am fine. If we start closing below the 20s, I should get the hell out of it. This screen I showed is on Savius. Right, so this offer right here is on Savius. 60% off with my coupon code exclusively for our community. This is where you can find the accounts. Once you sign up, in your dashboard area, you will be able to see the accounts. I'm also going to trade Savius a little later. And watch that whole review video explaining the whole process about the company. I'm going to set my my stop loss on break even. Obviously, it has been touched. But I kind of felt it. It's not the moment to dream about wrong things. I'm going to short this.
Order filled.
I'm looking for breaking below the 20s. If we do it, I'll make money. If we don't, I'll accept the loss. Looks like we have completely reversed. This price section here is just, you know.
Order filled.
Nonsense. There you go. About to touch the target. Come on. You want to dip below that 18 stop loss on my entry. we would completely touch the target by hitting that. Keep going.
Order filled.
I had a partial exit. And I'm fully
Order
out right
filled.
now. 876, that's fine. 876, guys, that's fine. That's deserving fireworks. We jumped out of the long into the short with that rejection. We've DC'd into the short. We've made the money. Beautiful. Oh, there you go with the explosion. Huh. Beautiful. Thank you, guys. You see, we swept the liquidity right here below the 20s. And we could launch this one back to the upside. I wouldn't mind this 876 as well. I wouldn't mind it. That would actually set me up for 3 days. 3 more days like this with 876 and we're sufficient, guys. In this cycle, we only have to do 4%. You know what that means? $6,000. We already have 3,200, so we're halfway through. Because we started on the 18th. Thank you, guys. For a beginner, a very good condition basically is the Ticktick Trader Buddy. Ticktick Trader 50 or 100k. If you want to trade minis, 100k is much better because of the drawdown limit. Especially if you have no max loss limit right now. But I definitely suggest it to put it by yourself around 1,500, you would be fine. Right, the company is giving right now free, no max loss limit per day. They're offering this for free, yet you better set it up on the settings and have it right there. It's protecting you, otherwise there's big chances for a beginner to blow the entire account. So you guys want to see this all the way back into the volume with an average price 400s for the VWAP. Bulls are right there. They are not giving up that early. Like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video. Market opens in about 17 minutes. Good morning from New Jersey. And we're doing the giveaway soon. We've got 2 giveaways. Markets are waiting for Friday's Jackson Hole 10 a.m. Jerome Powell speech. Is it going to be dovish, hawkish towards the rate cuts, towards the housing markets? It is so unaffordable. Big cities right there. It's intense, guys, with the housing markets. With a 50k, I would get into the micros, not minis, right? So I would trade M&Q, micro Nasdaq, not the Nasdaq. And then, of course, you can do 5, 7 contracts. I mean, that's my style if I would be there. I'm very aggressive. You know, that's fine. 25 basis points is still fine because it opens the doors for more. This is an interesting entry point here,
Order
guys.
filled.
That I might just smell. Right now, I see Ticktick Trader a really good path with their 10 accounts, pretty cheap, no consistency, really good. That 100k straight to funded plus accounts from the Ticktick Trader, this one, straight to funded, their new accounts, really good, guys. The alternative right there is with our exclusive Savius accounts that are paying a lot, but their daily loss limit is a hard breach, is not a soft breach. So you need to utilize a stop loss before that because it's a hard breach. If you get stopped out before the daily loss limit, it's not an issue. But if you touch that, it's a hard breach. You lose the account with the new Savius offer. They're paying a lot. You pay $250 per account and they pay you more than 10 times, $2,700. You know, these are great options. You know, tap on futures as well is always right there delivering.
Order
Adding
filled.
a little more to this, so I can get my $400 extra needed to go basically for the full target. Exactly. Exactly, Jay Smith. 60% off from the prices you guys see right there.
Order filled.
There you go. Target has been touched, 1,285. That's a little bit too much, guys. I have to lose. Listen up, guys. I have to lose. $85 I'm going to lose. I don't want to make more. So if I lose, then what do I have to trade right now? You know, I'm going to
Order
long this
filled.
because I want to lose. I want to lose $70. I'm fine with that. Do not dare to go up. I gotta lose. Come on.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Look at that. 1,200. There you go, guys. The third day touching the max target. Like something's wrong with this account. Something's wrong with this account, guys. It's just complete non-stop profit. Thank you, guys. Look at that. Congratulations, fellas. We got to run around the fireworks. I'm telling you, touching the target is not easy. The third day in a row, third cycle. That's just boom, right there. It's the name of the game. 165, so we have 15 grand cushion. If I can do it, I would send you $1,000 to each of you from here in your Top 1 Futures accounts. I would leave myself with 5 grand cushion. So I would send $10,000 from each account. We're copy trading 3. We got 30 grand to be sent out. But it's not allowing me to do it, right? To transfer some resources from the balance to my community. Beautiful. Yes, you can set the account to auto cut at 1,500. Let me guys share with you how you do this. So from the left side settings, I'm gonna move myself away from the left side settings. Right there, you got the risk settings. And then you have personally daily profit target right here. And you say 1,200, right? Just like that. And then instead of action, do nothing, you request liquidate and block, which means it closes your trade on a market order and blocks you out for the day. So you cannot trade anymore automatically. That's how you do it. That's the same thing with a daily loss limit right there. It's time for you to trade, make money, and push. Yeah, there's colorblind, right? You know, they have a bug, right? Even for my losing days, probably they show green. I think there's a bug here, guys. The system is having a malfunction. Or I hacked Project X. What if I did that? Have you guys thought about it? What if I hacked the system out here and I changed the source code? I changed in the background the color. Have you guys thought about it? So I'm raising this question just for the love of the honesty. We gotta put out some jokes. There's no reason why not to do it when you are enjoying what you do. Now, let's get back to the serious discussion. 10 more minutes and the market opens. There's the tap. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I like to quickly trade my Savius because there is the tap and this is a good entry. How many accounts would I recommend for the beginners? You know, Ticktick Trader is allowing you up to 10. You can start with 3 or you can start with 5. It also depends on your, as a theory, the more accounts you have, the better it is. But that also needs to be calibrated with your desire of how much money you want to spend into your learning experience. Because expecting to be profitable from the beginning is not possible. Now, the question is, dealing with more experiences is actually making your whole challenge more difficult? It is. That difficulty you're getting, is it productive for you on the long term? I think it is. So the more difficult you create your environment of trading in your beginnings, the better you have the possibility to advance, progress, and develop. The easier you want to make it in your beginnings, you're going to get the opposite outcome. Yeah. So that's my thought. Of course, if you want to risk, you go with multiple. If you want to be conservative as a nature of person towards the finance, then of course, a single account, get started with that, taste the waters, and adjust. You don't have to hurry up, right? So I've told you about more accounts if you're deep in the business. But if you're really at the early stages and you're not really desiring to go crazy quite quickly, you're going to take your time, then you can start with a single account. That's perfect. So let's trade some Savius. Here's the Savius accounts on Quantower. We have 150 grand, 715. We're not sitting bad. We have $700 profit here. Yesterday we had a good day, $1,800 profit here. We're trading this one on Quantower, which is the place you can trade it. Exactly. Do not use copy trading. Trade them individually. Kennedy. That's going to help you a lot. That's going to allow you to gain most of the experience. You need a decent point to start from as a theory, but you need a lot of practice, right? So trading is not about the theory. Trading is a lot more on the practice. So you need to get the ball rolling with the practicing and investing in your experience and knowledge. Do not expect to achieve major milestones without that. I've been trading crypto since 2014, but as a swing trader. So I have 11 years of swing trading. That's my bread and butter. We got Bitcoin below $500 a piece. And I started day trading futures and Nasdaq about, I don't know, 6-7 months ago only. But I have not day traded before. I have not been doing this before. I've been only swing trading. Buying and holding for weeks and months. That's a lovely squeezing we had here, guys. Testing out 2 minis on this pressure we built. Yeah, I'm profitable right now, especially with the last 2 months. It has been going really good. I got some Bitcoins. And probably some of the Bitcoins I'm not going to touch during my lifetime. I don't think I have to touch them. We'll see how expensive life gets, but I'm assuming I don't have to touch some of the Bitcoins I have for my whole life. We leave them legacy. Yep. Oh, that's good. You're gonna buy them back. I still think we're gonna see it below 100,000. You know, BTC has 70-80% correction on bear market, so you can still expect that. I think the bear market comes from higher. So, storing them. I don't need to store them in your wallet. I can give you my wallets, or, you know, directly I give you my cold wallets, and that's it, right? You give me your cold wallets and I give you my cold wallets. I am storing the big... Oh, look at that, guys. What's happening here? Oh. What's happening, guys? We only have 2 minis. So I have multiple cold wallets that I'm storing in multiple places, different places. Why do I sit in this trade with 2 contracts, 2 minis? I should have been on 5, 7, as usually I do. You see, I didn't trust it this trade. Oh, it's great profit pretty much everywhere. Great profit. We touched the target, tap on futures 1,200. We got the point on Ticktick Trader too. So I would say it's a normal day. It's a normal day. I think the market drops at the opening and then pumps back. So watch me exiting right before this opens. You know, the markets could actually get to that 410 on the opening. I'm out. We secured 600 bucks. If we come back to this 400, I'm gonna buy. And here we go, the opening bell. Told you guys, we came all the way into 415. Do we got any news? Got 2 contracts. I've DC'd into this. Look at that lovely. We broke below. And we're going crazy, right? I've DC'd one more time. What's going on, guys? Wow, look at that. This is a joke. DC it one more time. Let's see this one all the way back into 419. Nah, we got stopped out. Look at this. Crazy. Nice little opening. Nice little opening. On this account right here, we got some good numbers. I'm gonna trade this one right now in risky conditions.
Order filled.
Good morning.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
Beautiful. I didn't even have time to be out. 1,371. There you go. We're gonna celebrate. Tap 1 futures, great profit. This is day number 4. Boom. Oh, there you go, guys. What a lovely moment out here. 1,371. Look at that. This is trade number 4, actually. It's not bad. We gotta do $9,000. We have 4,300. I could make a little more here. I think you guys would agree with me. Get this one back into the 60s so I can relong it. Make a little more money. Bring it down here.
Order filled.
There you go. $465. That's enough. 1,828 complete profit. We don't need more than that because of consistency. I told you, get this one down to 60s. Let me make some money. And the market is listening. Are they actually listening to the live stream? What do you guys think about? I know this is an old question, but it has to be asked. Boom. Absolutely. Hello guys, welcome everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord, do everything that's needed to win the giveaway. Because we are heading towards the giveaway. We are heading towards the giveaway. Come on. We have traded today Ticktick Trader, Top 1 Futures, and Savius accounts. I'm fully satisfied with the profits pretty much everywhere. Listen up, guys. Come on, like the video. That's the first thing you gotta do. How to participate, for those of you wondering. Thank you. Appreciate it. So number one thing you gotta do is like the video. Number two, you gotta do, be subscribed. Join my Discord. Do not start guessing yet. Wait. I'm gonna shuffle so the current structure is not the final one. We're gonna shuffle, guys. Do not guess yet. Stop and wait. I'll let you know when to get started. Please, listen up, guys. Like the video. Be subscribed. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, trading daily. Yeah. Trading daily from 8 a.m. EST time with giveaways, helpful educational materials, and of course, a lovely community. And the third thing is you gotta be joined on our Discord. Here's the link. Then, of course, only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Only one guess per person. Do not guess from multiple accounts. Do not game and play the system. You'll have to guess between 0 and 5 and you're going to qualify to the second round. Wait. Once again, fellas, make sure to like the video. And remember, we got 2 giveaways. Do not leave after the first one. Let's go, guys. Let me know your numbers. You can start. You can start right now. Put your numbers right there. Thank you guys for joining. Only one guess per person between the starting command and the ending command, right? So if you were guessing before this, you're not in the game. You gotta guess right now while the game is still active. I hope we're not gonna have 300 guesses with 150 people on stream. The stop is right there. Do not guess more. The stop is right there. Do not guess afterwards. Wait for the second round. Wait for the second round. Let's shuffle the wheel. Let's shuffle this. And good luck, chat. Good luck, guys. They cannot relax. They are turned on pretty hot. Down the pipe. Let's go. We have a double 3 right there. We could actually get to those one, a blue one and the red one, to the double 3. I think that's where we're gonna stop. I'm smelling this, guys. We've been doing this for so long. Look at that. We stop on the double 3. And I'm not really pressing the pedals. Look at that. That's crazy. Congrats for the winners. Let's get to the duck race. Let's go, guys. All the winners will qualify to the duck race. This is the first giveaway. Keep in mind, we have one more. Do not leave. It's not the smartest choice. So we got 40 winners. Wow. That's a lot of the folks. 40 winners that will compete for a minute. I want to see that yellow hair. You know what I mean? There you go. Good luck. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. First time here. Thank you for joining, buddy. Streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, daily with streams on the trading and, of course, giveaways too. Your number, for once, you're actually qualifying daily, if I can remember that right. Who's gonna make that little step forward? Look at the Batman, Zorro, some naked ducks. You gotta push your fitness, guys. Come on, do something. Move your ducks. Look at that. And Sebastian is gonna be the winner. I tell you, the doctor right there coming up. And here we are. Beautiful. Congratulations. Beautiful. We're gonna run a nice show of fireworks for Sebastian. Reach out to me on Discord to claim your account. This was a $25,000 Tap on Futures account. End of the day, instant SIM funded. And now the next giveaway is $50,000 straight to funded plus Ticktick trader account. Right, so that's gonna be pretty hot. Good job, Sebastian. Your first win, hopefully not the last one. Doc Pop came out the second. Oh, the president right there with a Doc Pop. Beautiful. Hopefully not the last one, Sebastian. We never had the first giveaway winner winning also the second giveaway on the same day. We never had that. That would be pretty crazy, right? And it's allowed, right? So it's allowed. Take it to the payout, buddy. And then build your business from there. Great. So, once again, for those of you that have joined fresh, like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. That's how you participate. This is the second giveaway. 50 grand straight to funded plus Ticktick trader. Let me know your numbers. You can get started, guys. I'm going to shuffle this, but let me know your numbers. You can start. Come on, let's go. Keep going. Keep going strongly. Just like Nasdaq broke below the 400s and is doing a nice cliff. Look at that. Tremendous, right? Tremendous. Alright, you can stop there. Do not guess more. You can stop right there. Do not guess more, guys. That's it. That's it. We're advancing. We're heading towards the second giveaway. Let's give it another shuffle and good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. So what's gonna be? What's gonna be out there? We've got a we got a double 5 right there. I think that's where we stop. Come on, fellas. Double 5 right there. We gotta push through that number 3, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. And here you go. Number 5. Number 5 for the winner. And for the winners, I think there's a lot of the guys out there with number 5, I'm telling you. $28. Oh. Just about 28 fellas with number 5. Just about 28 guys out there. This used to be a popular number, guys. What happened? What happened with you? Keep in mind, tomorrow we're also streaming. Let's go. Come on. This is a $50,000 account for the Ticktick trader, straight to Funded Plus. Less than 30 seconds. Nasdaq is below the 300s, is unstoppable. Who's gonna make it? Five seconds. And there you go. Tony. Tony Chen. Number 7 right there. You got this, buddy. Here we've got the winner of a $50,000 straight to Funded Plus account for the Ticktick trader. Congratulations. We had a lot of fireworks going on today with all that trading. Except the Savius, which I didn't felt it pretty good. But the rest of it has been a good boy. Thank you guys once again for watching, for being part of our joyful community. Keep in touch on Discord. Have a great time. Winners, drop me a message on private. You drop me a message on private on my Discord, and we take it forward from there. Thank you once again for participating. Have a lovely day, guys. Thank you once again, Badger, all these guys helping us. You're doing a very good job. And we're looking forward to it tomorrow. Thank you. Take care. Peace.